Next question. This is based on the velocity time graph. The velocity time graph of a ball of mass 20 gram moving along a straight line on a long table is given in the plot. So the plot is given y-axis, x-axis, and they are taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 to 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and x-axis is time, that is given in second, and the y-axis is velocity, that is given as 5 centimeter per second, 10 centimeter per second, 15 10 centimeter per second, 20, 30, 20, 25, 30, 35, like this it goes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. So V is given as centimeter per second. So you have to remember the unit here. Normally it is given as meter per second, but here in this case it is given as 5 centimeter per second, right? Now what is the question asked? How much force? And now let us draw the diagram. So it is extended. You are able to get the straight line. So it meets like this, 20 to 10, like this. So this is the graph. It means that is you can have like this. At 1 second it may be around 18, and for 15, so it is around 3 seconds. Likewise it comes down. Okay, right. Now what is the question asked here? How much force does the table exert on the ball? So the force is to be calculated, and what you are able to get here, so here you can have an idea about from the plot the velocity, is it not? The initial velocity of the ball, so this is 0. At 0 second it is 20 meter per second, is it not? So we can obtain the data from this plot. So from the plot, it is not given directly in the problem. Instead we have to interpret this data. So from the plot we can arrive at u, initial velocity, that is v at 0 is called initial velocity, v at certain time is called final velocity. So based on that, this is 0 second for which the velocity is 20. So you can mention this as 20 centimeter per second. Are able to follow this? Next, what about the final velocity? So final velocity means here, this is the final velocity. That is when v reaches a 0, that is taken as a final velocity. So that is equal to what? So in this case, v is equal to, it is going to be stopped, is it not? So you can put 0 centimeter per second. Are able to follow? Now we know the formula. F is equal to, what is asked here? Force is asked, is it not? So F is equal to ma that is m into v minus u divided by t. So this is according to Newton's second law. So therefore m, now we can substitute this formula. So F is equal to m is 20. So this should be converted into what? Kg. So 20 kg, 20 gram means 20 into 10 power minus 3 kg. And what about this centimeter? This should be converted into meter. So this can be converted as 20. Centi means 10 power minus 2 meter per second. Right? So therefore, which is nothing but 0.2. Otherwise you can keep it as such. Now F is equal to m into v minus u by t. F is equal to m into v minus, 0, because v is 0, u divided by t. So F is equal to minus mu divided by t. So we can make use of this formula directly. So minus mu divided by t. Therefore minus, what is m? M is 20 into 10 power minus 3 kg into, what is u? U is 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter per second, whole divided by, and what is the time taken for this? The time taken is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 seconds. So we can infer from the graph, we can interpret this graph and state t is equal to 10 seconds. So you can put 10 here. So this is 2 times. So 2 into 20, so minus 40. 2 into minus 20 minus 40. 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 5. Okay, that is F. So the force is this much Newton. This is the answer. So this is the negative force. Okay.